Hello and welcome back. In this video we want to talk about constants, and constants are something similar to variables. uh, they are container for data, but the difference is constants are uh, cannot be redefined or reset. So like variable can be reset. For example, I can say uh, let's say variable my name. I can set this variable, for example, to mark, and I can come down and reset this variable, the same variable, my name, reset it to, for example, John. So for PHP, it will come first and find that the variable is mark, and then after that, we'll go down and find that the same variable, my name, is set to John. So now the variable will be John. So if I come and echo down here, my name, I will get from this echo the value John, not Mark. So Mark will be lost. There is no variable with the value Mark. So let's check this. Localhost constant, and now I get the value of the constant is John. So this is the variable, and the constant is different from the variable. That is, it will not be reset. You cannot reset constant. So if I say, for example, define, let's follow the syntax up there. Define, then parentheses, and inside the parentheses I have three arguments, okay, or three expressions. So name, value, and case insensitive. The name, this is the name of the constant, and the value, this is the value of the constant, and the case insensitive, this will accept two values, either true or false. If you write true, it means the name is case insensitive. So let's just write this and then we will see. Let's say I have a constant called my site. Okay, so this is, or let's call it site name, for example, site name. So this is my constant name, and then the value I want to be, for example, supermarket. So my value for the constant is the word supermarket, and then the case insensitive, and this is optional, I can leave it if I want. By default is false. Okay, so by default it's like this, so I can leave it without writing anything like this. And let's check it before, and then go check it without the case insensitive, and then check it with the case insensitive. So I want to echo and site name, which is the name of my constant. So I use the name of my constant to call the constant. Okay, so site name, which is this name right here. Now this constant is case insensitive. So if I change this, for example, to small, like this, or like this, sorry, it will not work. Okay, if I change it to name small, like this. Okay, let's actually do this, and also concatenate next to it a break, and under it I will call site name the correct way. So in here I use the small letters, and this one is not small, it's capital. Okay, and I use small letters in here. So this one will not work because right now the constant is not case insensitive. Right now is false. Okay, this case sensitive is false. So this one will not work, but this one under it will work. Let's save and go check, refresh, and now I get the first one up here, use of undefined constant, site name. So site name with small letters did not work. Okay, but the one with capital letters, it worked, and I got the constant value, which is supermarket. Okay, so let's go back. If I change the case sensitive from false to true, now both of them will work because now it's case insensitive. Okay, when I write true here in this place, it means it's case insensitive. So this one will work and this one will also work. So let's save and go check, refresh, and now I get supermarket 2 times. Okay, this is from the first one with the name in small letters, and this is with the big one, with the second one. Okay, so let's go back. You use the constant mainly for general settings of the website or general information about the website, stuff that you don't, you know that you are not gonna reset any day, and you don't want anybody messing with it. Okay, so this stuff will be constant, it will not change. So this is when you use constants. Okay, so one last thing we want to see about constant is what will happen if we try to reset the same constant. So like we said, the constants are you cannot reset them again. So I have this constant up here. Let's say I try to redefine. So same constant name, site name, and then say, for example, here market. So now I'm trying to redefine the same constant I have up here. So let's save, go back and check, refresh, and it says constant site name already defined. Okay, on line 6. So the constant will not be redefined. So it's not like the variable. So let's go back. This is almost everything we want to say about constant. There's still a lot of more information to know, but for now this is all you need to know, and we will talk about it in the coming courses, of course. So I will see you in the next lesson.